What's up, YouTube? Back again. We're going to check out the carburetor from the Kawasaki KDX, the Barn Find, 1989. So we're going to check it out and pull this out, see what it looks like. Ooh. Yeah, we're going to need to spray this down. We're gonna have to get a pan, so I'll be back in a second. So this is definitely slippery and grimy and everything else. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I got some carburetor cleaner and we have a pan. Let's take a look and see what we got here. This is 1989 Kawasaki KDX carburetor pieces that I had dipped. Let's see what we got here. What do we got here? We got a float ball. Spray this down. It's nice and clean. See that? Look at that. Nice and clean. So we clean that down. Put that aside. Over here. Some other items we got in here. I'm sure we got the carburetor assembly. Oh yeah. Look at that. She was soaking for a while on that. A lot cleaner than it was. I love this stuff because it literally melts everything off. Melts everything off like the dirt. Comes right off. It's a lot cleaner than it was. Check that out. Looks really good. I'm just worried about the float bowl. That was pretty nasty. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Oh, man. Alright, be right back. 1 second. Took the other main disc jet out. Must have forgot about this guy because he was right in there, but we can just spray him down real quick. You can see. Look at that. I don't know if I can focus on it, but yeah. Spray it down. Take the little, what do you call it, this little freaking straw out of this thing. Spray straw. These look at my gloves, man. It's just like ate right through it. It's very harsh on latex. Especially rough on your skin. Alright, spray this out. Ooh. Yeah, we got clean jet there. So I'll get this in my eyeballs. That shit will burn. So I got this in my eyes before. This thing is nasty. Look at that dirt that just came out of it. I wish these straws were a little bit smaller. I can get it in there better. Ooh, I'm gonna get the foam. Almost got the camera. Alright, here we go, it's clean. A little spray inside there where Oh, straw came off. Alright, we're making a mess here, man. This is not fun at all. Alright. It looks a lot better than it did. Cleaned a lot of pieces. Wow, it's amazing how light this thing is when you take all the parts off of it. It's pretty light. Doesn't even weigh anything. Huh. It's a lot cleaner than it was. I think we're good. Alright, so we're good with that, and let's go on to the next pieces. So this is all clean. Put that aside. On to the next parts. The scary, spooky float bowl. This is... oh man, I should have took that gasket out. Damn, dude. That's not good. I should have took this off because I don't know if I'm going to be able to reuse that again. Good luck trying to find a new gasket. Wasn't really thinking when I put that in there. That sucks. That's going to be fun. That part's going to be pretty hard to find. I hope it's not, but I'm sure it is. Nothing's really easy to find on a 1989 Kawasaki KDX. Well, whatever germs were on this is... they're dead now. Alright, float bowl's clean. Now we have to see what else we got in this bowl. This basket. Just a couple of small pieces, choke, and this piece. I think we're good. It's all that's... yeah, it's the only thing that's left. Spray this out again. Alright, it's clean. Put that aside. Choke. Alright. This came out pretty clean. Huh, how about that? Not bad. I just hope I can use this float bowl gasket again. Well, this thing looks... oh man, this thing is deteriorated. I don't know if this is any good. Look at the black that's coming right off of it. Look at that. It's like black paint. Wow. Alright folks, so stay tuned and I'll get this carburetor back on this 1989 Kawasaki KDX barn find. Hopefully she runs good. Alright, see you.